In this video, we are going to learn how to add a student in Google Classroom and how students will join the classroom and solve assignments, and then how they will receive their grades or marks. So here I have already created some classes. See, all these are classes, and this is the class for 12th B. Here first teacher will click on people. Then he can add students by clicking here. This button is invite student. I have already created some screenshots for this. Now I am going to show you a slideshow. So after creating a class, teacher will add students by their email IDs. So teacher will click here. Then teacher will click on invite button. After clicking on invite button, the student will get email from the teacher side. The student will check email in his or her inbox, something like this. Then student will open the mail and click on join button. After clicking on join button, he will see the following screen in which there will be a class. For example, here there is a class 12th B and some assignments etc. posted by teacher. Click on assignment and then attachment in the next screen. For example, student want to solve a new assignment on MySQL. He will click here and then he will see an attachment. After clicking on attachment, the student will see assignment on his screen, either laptop or smartphone. So after solving the assignment, he has to click on submit button. After clicking on submit button, the student will receive a screen like this. He has to click on open assignment. After clicking on open assignment, he will get a chance to add an attachment. For example, if he is doing his work in notebook, he can click the photos of that notebook and send it as add attachment to the teacher. After doing attachment, or if there are no attachments, then also no problem, the student has to click on mark as done. So this was the last step from student's side. After this, teacher will receive a message in front of the name of student turned in. So it shows that submission is completed. Teacher can check his submission work. After checking, teacher can give marks here. For example, here Anjali Gupta has got 10 on 10 marks. Teacher has to click on return button either here or here after watching the submission work. After clicking on return, the students will receive marks in this format. I hope this video will help you out. Thanks for watching.